I have a secret. This might come as a shock to you. Scrolling is not rest. Sorry. A lot of people confuse the two. Distraction keeps your mind occupied, but your nervous system stays active. And true rest is different. It allows your body to actually downshift. Scrolling just doesn't do that. You can spend hours resting and still feel tired because your body never actually got a chance to reset. And rest also isn't about doing nothing. Um, it's about allowing your system to recover. So, folks, curious question. Are you resting? What does that actually look like for you? Drop your answers in the comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the post, do all the things because I would love to have you in my community. And as always, catch you on the flip side. Toodle-doo.